and welcome back to our channel. My name is Marta from Cooking the World. I am food guide in Frankfurt, and in this video I will show you 3 variations of the pickles that we use in Germany and many ways how we use them. So if you are looking for some pickled cucumber cooking inspiration, this video is gonna be perfect for you. Also in the description box down below you will find the links to some of the dishes that I'm gonna mention in this video. So the first pickled cucumbers that I'm gonna talk about are called Senfgurken, so mustard pickled cucumbers, but they don't taste like mustard. They actually have sweet and sour taste. To make those, we need some raw onions, peeled cucumbers, and a marinade made of water, white wine vinegar, sugar, mustard seeds, pickled cucumber seasoning, and salt. The next are Salzgurken, which are pickled cucumbers that are pickled with salt. So those are preserved by lactic acid fermentation, and they have been around since the Roman times, very popular in Central Eastern Europe as well as Russia. To make those, you need some cucumbers, garlic, and a bit of dill. The mixture that is poured in the jar is mixture of water and salt only. And the last pickled cucumbers that I'm gonna talk about is the most famous pickled cucumber, and it's called Gewürzgurken. And we are actually not sure if those came from China or Mesopotamia, but they also have been around for a very long time. To make those, you need some cucumbers. Before putting them into jars, I actually blanch them to make sure that they stay nice and firm when pickling. I've also added some onions, dill, bay leaf, and poured the mixture made of water, vinegar, sugar, salt, mustard seed, pepper, allspice, and juniper berries. The most famous way to eat a German cucumber is for sure in a broadside, so with some cold cuts. The best way to enjoy the mustard cucumber is on the bread with a smoked bacon. On the other hand, in northern Germany, they love eating their cucumbers with some fish like herring. In Stralsund, for example, I had this wonderful fish bowl that was served with a tartar sauce, pickled cucumber, and raw onions. We also had a smoked salmon served with pickled cucumber. Pickled cucumber is also staple ingredient in a sausage salad. On the screen right now you see the original Swabian sausage salad, which is not only made with Bologna sausage but also blood sausage. It is actually one of my favorite sausage salads, and it goes very well with a pan-fried potatoes. The regular sausage salad that you can get in any butcher shop here in Germany also contains pickled cucumber, of course. Pickled cucumbers you can also find in the German noodle salad, which is made of noodles, green peas, carrots, Bologna sausage, sometimes even egg and sweet corn. We also love eating pickled cucumbers in potato salad. On the screen right now you can see the preparation of traditional Bavarian potato salad, which is made with bacon and pickled cucumbers. This one is actually made with a broth, vinegar and oil dressing, and if you are interested I will put the link to the recipe down below. I also like making potato salad with Senfgurken because they've got this like sweet and sour taste. It goes so well with potatoes, onions, and a wonderful mayo and mustard dressing. This potato salad goes incredibly well with a Frankfurt sausage. Pickled cucumbers are also used in the warm dishes, like this example is the Feuerfleisch. Feuerfleisch comes from Saxony, and it's kind of a goulash that is made of pork, onion, pepper, mustard from Bautzen, tomato puree, pickled cucumber, chili, sugar, salt, pepper, Tabasco, and butter, or margarine for that matter. It's very interesting kind of goulash, and I really loved it there. I don't know why I haven't cooked it yet. The next warm dish that we used a pickled cucumber in, it's for sure the German beef roll. So as you probably know, German rouladen are filled with mustard, pickled cucumber, bacon, salt and pepper. Pickled cucumber can be also an ingredient of a soup. For example, this one is called Sojanka and it comes from the East Germany. Traditional Sojanka has plenty of ingredients. There are onions, red peppers, gammon, Jagdwurst, pickles, garlic, tomatoes, tomato puree, vegetable broth, water from the pickles, paprika powder, salt, mustard, sugar, sour cream, and the whole thing is eaten with a bread. So this can be actually cooked without using any fresh ingredients. I will link the recipe to it down below. Pickled cucumbers are also served as a side to various dishes. For example, this one is called Zoll or a Speck, which you probably translate to meat jelly. Jelly here in Germany as a main course is served with a pickled cucumber, raw onion and wonderfully pan-fried potatoes. Pickled cucumber is also a very important ingredient of a German raclette. This is actually a tradition from Switzerland. Here in Germany it is very popular in the winter time. If you want to know more about this tradition, I've got a video about the ultimate guide to German raclette, which I'm gonna link down below. And this is actually a dish called Lapskaus, and it's a very interesting one. And you probably ask yourself, where is the pickled cucumber? So there it is. The pickled cucumber is in this pink mash. The mash is made of mashed potatoes, onions, corned beef, chopped pickled cucumber, and the marinade from the pickles. The pink color comes from a beetroot that is also in there. So this very interesting mixture, it's served with a beetroot, raw onion, Matthias, so the German herring, young herring, and fried egg usually on the top. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy it. Please let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite way to eat pickled cucumber and which kind of pickled cucumber do you prefer. On my YouTube channel I have posted already many videos in which I included recipes with a pickled cucumber. One of those would be, for example, the potato salad video that I prepared 2 years ago and the sausage salad video that I prepared a few months ago. So if you are interested, you can watch those next. This week I have been actually very busy learning because since August 2022 I offer a new tour which is all about German sausages. Last week, for the first time, somebody actually booked it. So if you have a chance, please keep your fingers crossed on Wednesday for me. But anyway, I wish you all a lovely week, stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!